Kia ora! Hello my friends! So today I'm very excited because I bought myself another dream dress. Oh my gosh! I got this dress from Closet Child, which is an awesome website for secondhand lolita fashion. I highly recommend it if you've not checked them out before. You can shop directly from them. You don't need a shopping service or anything. So it's super easy. So this, in fact, is going to be my very first Angelic Pretty dress, which is amazing and kind of shocking perhaps. I feel like I've been in the fashion so long and I kind of scream this like OTT suite that really suits Angelic Pretty. You might have thought that I would have owned some by now. No, just accessories and blouses and stuff, so I'm very excited for my first ever dress. I just opened the parcel and like pulled out the dress to show you, but my card said it was full, so I deleted a bunch of stuff and I'm pretty sure I just deleted that footage. Whoops. So snip snip, here it is. This is how it's come packaged from Closet Child. So some keen eyes out there may be able to name the print already. I'll just bring it out first and show you guys. I got the matching head bow to go with the dress as well. So it just has the print of the dress all over and this gorgeous little like gold heart that says AP. The back has just a regular kind of hair clip like this. So I have to see if I want it like in the middle. Oh, that's quite cute actually. Or like whether it's just like a side bow or something like that. We'll work it out. And so here she is. Oh my gosh. This is Angelic Pretty's 2015 Cherry Marguerite. She is so gorgeous. Oh my god, guys. The lace and the details and the print is just, it's everything. Oh my gosh. I did recently get a mannequin, so I will be able to show you some like close-up details a lot nicer on my mannequin. But just quickly while we're here, this is the dress overall. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Berry prints are fast becoming my favorite like motif in Lolita fashion. I just think that is so sweet and cute and delicious, I suppose. I super love them. I'm in love with the gingham pattern. I think it is so cute. I've really been enjoying like the color red in Lolita fashion. It's just such a beautiful color. I'm really excited to have another red dress in my collection. I'll pop this dress on my mannequin so I can show you some of the beautiful details. It is just stunning. Oh my gosh. And then I will try on the dress so you can see how it looks.
Starting off with the full length of the dress, here you can see the back and front looking super cute. It has these gorgeous sleeves. They're like little poofy moments. I love them. It's got cute lace coming down onto the bodice. The front of the bodice is so precious. The little bow is sewn on and it's got the cutest little daisy. I love the placement that is right in the middle like that. I think it's just luck, but it turned out really cute. The lace on the front is adorable with little love heart cutouts and bows. There's 3 layers here, which just looks really cute underneath the big bow. This is the lace from the shoulder, and then it has this like ribbon laced up through some more lace, which is such a cute detail. Moving on to the back of the dress here, you can see the super cute sleeves are the same on the back as well, which I adore. It has this ruffling, which is really precious all the way around, and partial shearing. Here is the back bow in the same print as the dress, which is so cute. Oh my gosh, it also finishes off in a little lace detail on the edging. The waist ties attach with a little daisy button, which is the most adorable detail. I absolutely love it. Another fabulous detail is that this dress does come with a pocket. Oh my gosh, it is just the one pocket, but that's okay, I'll take it. It's nice to have pockets. The bottom of the dress has like 2 rows of these love heart details. One of them has a cross inside, then it goes on to a daisy, and then the next one says Angelic Pretty in the cute cursive writing. The bottom of the print starts with these daisy love hearts encasing 3 bunches of cherries, and then this one here has like a bunch of 3 strawberries with like crosses and daisies in between all of them. And then the last one is definitely my favorite. These little like love heart cherries have a bow going through them, which is so cute. And then at the bottom it says Angelic Pretty in this banner, which I absolutely adore. And the dress finishes off in this custom Angelic Pretty lace with cherries and the little letters AP inside love hearts. It's just the best way to finish. It's so cute.
And this is the dress on. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love her. Of course, I had to pair this dress with these Angelic Pretty earrings. So if you remember that secondhand haul, these were actually keychains, which I like altered into being earrings. They totally suit being earrings way more. They are way cute. But yeah, this is the dress. dress and how it looks when it's on. I totally love her. I probably said that 5 times. And I decided to go for the bow being like on the side like this. It's kind of, I don't know if it's too close to my face, but I think it's really cute, a little side bow. I normally prefer like the bow to be centered like this, but these little bits weren't like sitting like super flat. I think it's kind of meant to be a little cute side bow, or even at the back of your head would be so adorable. Like I would love to wear it like that. I like lots of details being visible for me to see them from the front, I guess. But yeah, the bow is very cute. I'm very happy I got the bow to match the dress as well. I definitely need some like dainty daisy accessories to go with this cord, like some for my hair and a little choker and like a ring would be super adorable. I might make some myself just out of clay. It is really easy. You guys should totally make your own jewelry as well. You can just make really cute things to like match your coordinates perfectly. I feel really lucky because I've gotten 2 of my all-time dream dresses this year. Both of them actually have cherries. The other one's from Baby the Star Shine Bright, which is my favorite all-time brand. But yeah, like I can't say this is my favorite dress because so is that one. I feel like maybe they're like paired for my favorite dresses at the moment. This one and the one from Baby as well. But yeah, she's so gorgeous. I cannot wait for our next meetup so I can wear it and hang out with all of my friends. When is our next meetup? Actually, I think it's a cat cafe. I'm not sure if I would wear this to a cat cafe, just in case like threads are pulled by claws. Anyways, yeah, I love this dress and I'm so happy. Thank you so much for like, I don't know, sharing this moment with me. And with that, it is the end of the video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I always really appreciate it. And hopefully I'll get to see you in my next video. Bye!